If you want change, you have to go let go certain things and let go certain people. How may I help you?
And I'm serving a summons for David Mullins.
Don't forget, sir, it is the turn against Godmother one time.
Remember that.
Suppose me do the same thing to you.
Nothing in this office to be touched. We're confiscating everything.
You gonna leave that company? Me? I'm gonna leave you.
T. Whisper. Stand up.
Everything. You know what this is?
Unpaid parking tickets.
Rent receipt?
Food vouchers.
This is a list of questionable activities that you've been involved in that goes against everything your agency stands for. And if it can be proven that you were actually part of these activities, then your career as an agent won't only be over, but you'll be doing prison time.
This is where
I asked for my one phone call.
To my lawyer.
Ms. Brissett, you're a decorated agent, and you've earned your stripes by...
Hold on. Why am I talking to you? And who are you really? And how do you fit in this equation?
I thought we already passed this introduction stage.
Introduction. You barging into the office and confiscating agency documents without a search warrant is hardly an introduction, sir.
I assure you, all protocols were followed, and a search warrant was obtained.
But was not presented. You had people walking through the office confiscating things. And I'm not even sure if they were even legitimate law enforcement officers. What agency are you from again?
That's not how this works. I ask the questions here. You're aware that your agency is not the only one on the island of its kind. The only problem is your agency doesn't answer to the government of Jamaica.
And you are working for the GOJ, right?
Yes, if you must know, I've been appointed head of internal affairs. And I've been commissioned to look deeply into the affairs of your agency and how David Mullins operates. And needless to say, we found major discrepancies in his operation.
Go on, everything active, Shelbel.
Yeah, so far, but I just see me need some jagan and stuff. So I just they are just down and
So
things.
that's all one you're gonna eat.
Me do some other things but jagan mainly because they say I just that I have.
Boy, the man them must spit for your heart, man.
Yeah, and then me see the work man them come here today I do some work. So where you say if I go on after them?
Yeah, man, I mean it send them, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, man, so when them done board it up and thing, I get the paint them and then the paint of the place. And
Alright.
everything. You see me?
Yeah, man. So I know all the thing though. You know, it's a business of open door.
Yeah, man. I forget the place right first. You see it? That's the main thing, but I'm supposed to get the place finished before the day done, man.
Alright.
I think they're gonna take them 2 days.
Okay. Yeah, big thank you. with the players and stuff. So big up yourself. You see it. Big thanks again. Appreciation.
Alright, my G. Fully.
Respect.
You
Big
have to
up.
go on do your thing, man. You hear that?
Alright, G.
Yeah, a
Big
little
up.
bit.
Ah.
How are this? Right, this time when you're going to foreign or sitting. For 2 weeks now, I'm vicious now answering phone. Nah, man. Call Butcher. So what this? None of them man them now answer them phone. Oh, circle it. Yo, bugger. Yeah, go on with you. You up on the work? Alright, here, I want you come pick me up. I make a circle over Butcher. Brother, I now walk on a me and bad man. I work, you working, and I pay you. So stop question, man. Too. Eh, forward, man. Fully.
How much them a pay you?
Not nearly enough. But to take down an organization like this that's causing crime to the country, I'll do it for free.
Oh, so you're the noble hero who is going to ride in and save the day for the corrupt politicians.